This video contains a list of the greatest Jamaican politicians. The Pantheon dataset contains 15,710 politicians, 11 of which were born in Jamaica. This makes Jamaica the birthplace of the 133rd most number of politicians behind Gabon and Burundi. The following people are considered by Pantheon to be the top 10 most legendary Jamaican politicians of all time. This list of famous Jamaican politicians is sorted by HPI, that's Historical Popularity Index, a metric that aggregates information on a biography's online popularity. Number 10. The Honorable U. Lawson Shearer. With an HPI of 50.40, U. Shearer is the 10th most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 16 different languages. U. Lawson Shearer, born 18th of May 1923 and died 15th of July 2004, was a Jamaican trade unionist and politician who served as the third Prime Minister of Jamaica from 1967 to 1972. Number 9. Andrew Michael Holness. With an HPI of 51.71, Andrew Holness is the 9th most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 26 different languages. Andrew Michael Holness, born the 22nd of July 1972, is a Jamaican politician who has been the Prime Minister of Jamaica since the 3rd of March 2016. Following the 2016 Jamaican general election, Holness previously served as the Prime Minister from October 2011 to the 5th of January 2012. He succeeded Bruce Golding as Prime Minister and decided to go to the polls in the 29th of December 2011 general election in an attempt to get his own mandate from the Jamaican electorate. He failed in that bid, losing to the People's National Party led by Portia Simpson Miller, with the PNP gaining 42 seats to the Jamaica Labour Party's 21. Following that defeat, Holness served as leader of the opposition from January 2012 to March 2016, when he once again assumed the position of Prime Minister. In 2020, the Labour Party won a landslide in another general election, and on the 7th of September 2020, Holness was sworn in for another term as Prime Minister. Holness is the youngest person to have been elected and re-elected Prime Minister in Jamaica's history. He is also the first Prime Minister to have been born after Jamaica gained independence in 1962. Number 8. Bruce Golding. With an HPI of 52.60, Bruce Golding is the 8th most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 24 different languages. Oret Bruce Golding, born the 5th of December 1947, is a former Jamaican politician who served as 8th Prime Minister of Jamaica from 11th of September 2007 to 23rd of October 2011. He is a member of the Jamaica Labour Party, which he led from 2005 to his resignation in 2011.
Barricades, the persons who had the guns, they put the community of Tivoli at risk.
That's not an issue that we need to entertain a dispute about.
Number 7. Percival James Patterson. With an HPI of 52.74, PJ Patterson is the 7th most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 23 different languages. Percival Noel James Patterson, popularly known as PJ Patterson, was born on the 10th of April 1935, and he is a former Jamaican politician who served as the 6th Prime Minister of Jamaica from 1992 to 2006. He served in office for 14 years, making him the longest serving Prime Minister in Jamaica's history. He was the leader of the People's National Party from 1992 to 2006. Patterson served as the Member of Parliament for the constituency of Westmoreland South Eastern from 1970 to 1980, when he lost to Euphemia Williams of the Jamaica Labour Party, and again from 1989 to 1993. Following a constituency reorganization, he served as the MP for Westmoreland Eastern from 1993 to 2006. He retired from all of these positions in January 2006. Cabinet positions he held during his political career include Minister of Industry and Tourism, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Minister of Development, Minister of Planning and Production, and Minister of Finance and Planning.
If we combine our total efforts, there's nothing in the world that can stop us.
Number 6. Alexander Bustamante. With an HPI of 53.88, Alexander Bustamante is the sixth most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 18 different languages. Sir William Alexander Clark Bustamante, born William Alexander Clark on the 24th of February 1884 and died on the 6th of August 1977, was a Jamaican politician and Labour leader who in 1962 became the first Prime Minister of Jamaica. Number 5. Kenneth OAl. With an HPI of 53.95, Kenneth OAl is the fifth most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 16 different languages. Sir Kenneth Octavius All, born 24th of April 1941, was Governor General of Jamaica from 16th of February 2006 to 26th of February 2009. He was Jamaica's fifth Governor General since independence in 1962. Number 4. Michael Manley. With an HPI of 56.89, Michael Manley is the fourth most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 25 different languages. Michael Norman Manley, born 10th of December 1924 and died 6th of March 1997, was a Jamaican politician who served as the fourth Prime Minister of Jamaica from 1972 to 1980 and from 1989 to 1992. Manley championed a democratic socialist program and has been described as a populist. According to opinion polls, he remains one of Jamaica's most popular prime ministers.
If you cannot therefore mobilize people to understand that the latest blandishments of Madison Avenue must be resisted not as an act of anti-Americanism, but as the price of a national economic policy that makes sense, the doing without luxuries and the prioritizing of foreign exchange. There is a huge job of national political education that has to be done.
Number 3. Portia Simpson Miller. With an HPI of 57.62, Portia Simpson Miller is the third most famous Jamaican politician. Her biography has been translated into 38 different languages. Portia Lucretia Simpson Miller, born on the 12th of December 1945, is a Jamaican politician. She served as Prime Minister of Jamaica from March 2006 to September 2007, and again from 5th of January 2012 to 3rd of March 2016. She was the leader of the People's National Party from 2005 to 2017, and the leader of the opposition twice from 2007 to 2012, and from 2016 to 2017. Confusing. While serving as Prime Minister, Simpson Miller retained the positions of Minister of Defense, Development, and Information and Sports. She also served as Minister of Labour, Minister of Social Security and Sport, Minister of Tourism and Sports, and Minister of Local Government throughout her political career. Following her election win in December 2011, when her party defeated the Jamaica Labour Party, she became the second individual since independence to have served non-consecutive terms as Prime Minister, the first having been Michael Manley. The People's National Party, under her leadership, lost the 25th of February 2016 general election to the Holness-led Jamaica Labour Party.
When you assist someone that is in need, you always feel very good about it, that you are able to assist someone.
Number 2. Patrick Allen. With an HPI of 58.86, Patrick Allen is the second most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 24 different languages. Sir Patrick Linton Allen, born 7th of February 1951, is a Jamaican Seventh-day Adventist pastor who is currently serving as the 6th Governor General of Jamaica. Of 5 children in a family of subsistence farmers, Allen spent over a decade as a teacher and principal, before leaving education to be trained as an Adventist minister at Andrews University in the United States. After becoming a pastor, Allen went on to serve in a number of leadership roles within the Seventh-day Adventist Church, eventually becoming the leader of the West Indies Union of Seventh-day Adventists, which had jurisdiction over Jamaica, the Bahamas, the Cayman Islands, and the Turks and Caicos Islands. Allen became Jamaica's 6th appointed Governor General, 8 overall including 2 acting Governor Generals. He replaced Kenneth OAl, who resigned for health reasons. Allen's appointment was controversial due to his strong ties to the Seventh-day Adventist Church. and because of the concerns that he would not be able to attend the functions on Saturdays due to his faith's strict observation of the Sabbath. Allen resigned from his leadership of the West Indies Union prior to becoming Governor General of Jamaica.
Embrace the challenges as we move forward while keeping the positives of the past year in perspective. I think all of us can agree with the advice of the late Bob Marley, who said, "You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have."
Number 1. Stuart Raffles. And just before I go any further, for those of you who are quick to say, "Oh, the man that shouldn't be on the list," or "who that," or you don't know what you do, guys, go and do your research. With an HPI of 73.18, Stuart Raffles is the most famous Jamaican politician. His biography has been translated into 49 different languages on Wikipedia. Sir Thomas Stamford Bingley Raffles, 5th of July 1781 to 5th of July 1826, was a British statesman, Lieutenant Governor of the Dutch East Indies 1811 to 1816 and Lieutenant Governor of Bancolen 1818 to 1824. Best known for his founding of modern Singapore and the Strait settlements, Raffles is heavily involved with the capture of the Indonesian island of Java from the Dutch during the Napoleonic Wars and the running of day-to-day operations in Singapore. He also wrote The History of Java in 1817. Blessings everyone, thanks for watching. If there's any politicians I left off, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comment section down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider subscribing by clicking that red subscribe button. Until we meet here again on Elite Jamaica, stay blessed.